Alright, so I tried launching GTA Vice City and it keeps giving this weird error saying cannot find the video mode, and yeah, that happens because this game is old as hell and Windows 11 kinda hates old games sometimes. But the fix is actually easy, so first just right click on the GTA Vice City, exit file and click properties. Then go to compatibility and check run this program in compatibility mode for, and now this is the important part, set it to Windows XP Service Pack 3 because that's the one that worked for me. You can also try Windows 7. If XP doesn't work, then hit apply and OK, and after that restart your PC. I'm not restarting mine right now, but yeah, you probably should. And now when we launch the game again, boom, no more error, game opens completely fine. And yeah, that's pretty much how you fix they cannot find 640x480 video mode error in GTA Vice City on Windows 11.